We're with Skeet tonight. She is having babies. She just had a little silver girl a few minutes ago, probably about 10 minutes ago. Caught me kind of off guard. She's so sneaky. Yeah, she's a good mom, aren't you? Yes. And she's working on another baby. May only be 2 in there. We'll have to wait and see. Can we see this little girl? Can we see her? Huh? There she is. Looks like we need to trim a tummy too. We'll do that. Anyway, we'll keep you posted and we'll be back when there's more babies. She has had her second baby, and this looks to be like it's a silver boy. So these little kitties were born about 30 to 40 minutes apart, something like that. Good girl. There you go. Let me see. Good girl. Okay, here we are with all 3 kittens and Skeet. We have a silver girl right here and 2 silver boys. This was the last one out, and you may be able to see, I'm not sure if the lighting is good enough, but he's kind of a yellow or chartreuse color. And that is because some of the meconium, which is their first bowel movement, was released into the sac while he was being delivered. And usually that happens with a very stressful litter, or stressful delivery, I should say, but I don't think this was very stressful, so it could have been just his placement in the birth canal while she was having contractions, because the last 2 came out pretty quick, just a few minutes apart. And if her uterus would have contracted against, the intestines at just the right place, that would explain why that meconium came out when it did. So hopefully he didn't aspirate any of that. If he did, that can be very bad. It can set up a life-threatening infection. But they're usually fine. I got his face cleaned off, I think, real well before he took a breath. And I got him pretty well cleaned up here as best as I can. He's almost completely dry. But if you notice a little bit of a yellow tint to his coat, that is what happened. And you can tell because when the sac came out, it was full of yellow liquid instead of clear. And this is not uncommon. It just happens occasionally, and we deal with it as we go along.